Hey guys, so I was just looking at this silver plate. Thank you so much for this. ये सब आपकी वजह से है. आपने इस चैनल को इतना प्यार दिया. And due to this, I have this beautiful silver play button. So thank you so much for this. And I am so ready for today's tutorial. So let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So if you're new to our channel, my name is Kanchan and I make videos related to art and craft. I try to revamp as many things as I can and try to make art form in a very easy and simple way. So in today's tutorial we are going to do Q&A. It was a long due video. You guys have been asking me about my personal life for such a long time. So in today's tutorial I thought I'll give a quick answer to your basic questions. So let's get started. So the first question everybody's been asking me, where do you live? So we are in Baroda. Baroda is in Gujarat. This is wonderful and lovely place I have ever seen. This place is famous for its garba and gujjus are awesome. My husband has a transferable job, so every few years we have to move in a different place. So I have been in Baroda for such a long time and I love this place. Basically, I belong to Uttaranchal. I'm a Garhwali, but my parents are settled in Chandigarh and my husband is Marathi, so it's all mixed up. So next question is, what is your surname? So before marriage, I was Rawat, I was Kanchan Rawat, and after marriage, I'm Kanchan Vinay K. What is your age? Really, guys? Okay, I'm 34 years old. When is your birthday? So my birthday is in 16 December, so it's coming, right? So next question is, what is your favorite color? So my favorite color is pink and orange. Then next question, are you married? So yes, I'm married. It's been 8 years now and it's wonderful. Do you have kids? So yes, I have a daughter. आपको उसकी पायलों की आवाज़ सुनाई देगी. So I'll introduce you guys to my sweetheart. She is Anaisha. You wanna say hello?
Hello.
Okay. So she is 5.5 years old and she's lovely, touch wood. Having a baby girl is a blessing, my goodness. Alright, so what is your educational qualification? So I did my BA in honors and then I did my MBA in HR. But let me tell you guys, education matters. Yes, it really matters. But at the end, आप किस चीज़ में अच्छे हो, आपको उस चीज़ को enhance करना चाहिए. For example, I was always into arts, but मैंने कॉलेज में अवॉइड किया. मैंने ड्राइंग और पेंटिंग से रिलेटेड सब्जेक्ट्स नहीं लिए, which I think I should have taken, but it's okay, never mind. And then next, उसके बाद मैंने MBA कर लिया, which was not at all relevant to the things which I am doing right now. But your education really helps you in becoming the person you are right now. इसके अलावा I was average student in my school, college, and then whatever I did, but I was excellent in co-curricular activities. So when I was in school, I was a part of Scout and Guides, and छोटे से ही we used to go to camps, you know. So इससे बहुत सारी चीज़ें हम लोग सीखते हैं, अकेले रहना, independently रहना, and then आपको ये सब छोटी चीज़ें आपको डील करना लोगों से, बात करना लोगों से सिखाता है. And then college में I was in NCC, I was best cadet, I was into shooting, and I'm a national shooter. So इन सब चीज़ों से बहुत फ़र्क पड़ता है आपके एक ओवरऑल पर्सनैलिटी पे और आपकी ओवरऑल प्रोफाइल पे. इसके अलावा आप लाइफ में कुछ भी कीजिए, इट शुड बी फ्रॉम योर हार्ट एंड यू शुड बी ऑनेस्ट विद योर सेल्फ, नॉट विद एनी वन एल्स. आप अपने साथ ऑनेस्ट होंगे तभी आप कुछ नया सीख पाएंगे, कुछ नया कर पाएंगे. सो एट द एंड एजुकेशन मैटर्स, बट आपको उसके साथ साथ एक्स्ट्रा को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ को भी इम्पोर्टेंस देनी चाहिए. Alright, so have you done any professional course? No, I have not done any professional course. I am so blessed that my parents are artists, so I am also artist in a way because my mom used to do painting जब हम छोटे थे. My dad is a multitasker. He can do anything. आप उन्हें जो बोलेंगे he can do that. So in that ways ये सब चीज़ें हमें अपने पेरेंट्स से सीखने को मिलती है. बचपन से ही मैंने देखा है मेरे पेरेंट्स हमेशा अपना सारा काम खुद करते थे. So that ways we learn and we see things from them, and उससे ही हम सारी चीज़ें नई सीखते हैं और बहुत फ़र्क पड़ता है आपकी फैमिली कैसी है. And in a way my parents, my husband and everyone in my family is really really supportive. वो हमेशा एनकरेज करते हैं आप जो भी कीजिए आप दिल से कीजिए, और उसी वक्त डिस्करेज भी करते हैं अगर आपका काम उतना अच्छा नहीं है. सो दैट इज़ रियली रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट. सिर्फ अप्रिसिएशन से आप सीख नहीं पाएंगे, बिकॉज कोई एक पर्सन या दो पर्सन होने चाहिए आपको बताने के लिए जो आपको रियलिटी चेक दे कि दिस इज़ नॉट गोइंग गुड, राइट? बट नो, आई हैव नॉट डन एनी प्रोफेशनल कोर्स. So next question is, when have you started painting? So when I was a little kid, I remember when I was in nursery or KG and I was like 3 or 4 years, तब से ही I remember the brush was in my hand. I had this watercolor का पूरा सेट जो ब्लू कलर का एक बॉक्स के साथ आता था, इफ़ यू रिमेंबर गाइज. तो वो मुझे बहुत अच्छे से मेरा विजन है कि मैं कलर कर रही हूँ. एंड बचपन से ही मैं बहुत ज़्यादा आई वॉज कम्प्लीटली इन टू पेंटिंग एंड ऑल दैट, एंड आई हैव बीन विनर ऑफ अ लॉट ऑफ पेंटिंग कॉम्पिटिशन्स. सो या. So next question is, what software I use to edit my videos? So initially I used to make videos from my phone. I had this SE, Apple SE. So मैं उसी से अपनी सारी videos बनाती थी. उसी से मैं, उसमें एक free app आता है iMovies करके, that is my favorite app. तो मैं उसी से अपनी सारी videos बनाती थी, उसी में edit करके वहीं से मैं post कर देती थी. So initial way में, if you are a beginner, you really don't need to buy any camera or any extra gadgets or any software you have to buy. Eventually जब आपका channel grow होने लगता है, then you can go for expensive gadgets like a new camera or a laptop. I still make my videos in iMovies. I edit my videos in Final Cut Pro sometime, but most of the time I use iMovies. That is the best app I have ever seen. I don't know about Android phones, so really sorry guys. So which camera do you use? I use Canon 80D. This is a very nice camera. I have recently purchased this one. Initially I used to make my videos with my phone. उसके बाद मेरे पास एक और कैमरा था जो कि मेरा बहुत पुराना कैमरा था. I used to make videos on that as well. But then I bought this one. This is an amazing camera. And if you want to buy one camera, I will suggest this one only. This is the best camera right now in the market. I don't know about others, but this is the best one. So the next question is, from where do you get ideas for your videos? Alright, so I get ideas from you guys. You guys have been giving me so many ideas कि मैम बेस्ट आउट ऑफ वेस्ट बनाइए, मैम प्लास्टिक रीयूज़ बनाइए, फिर मैम ये बनाइए वो बनाइए. Whatever you guys are telling me, I have been working on those contents and then creating everything for all of you. Secondly, there is an app called Pinterest. I really like it. For example, if you want to do your home decor, and if you don't have any idea what to do, what not to do, you can simply go to that app, and that is the best app for any ideas you are looking for, and that apps will really give you an amazing ideas. And secondly, I get ideas from my own home, because we have to keep on moving in different places, right? So every time I get a new house, I get really excited. Every time we get different accommodation, and you know, when you have a same accommodation, you sometimes feel that रहने देते हैं, जैसा है वैसा ही ठीक है. But if you get a new house every after 3-4 years, you know, so you get really excited every time that yes, this time I'm going to decorate my house this way or that way. So that is again an amazing motivation for me to create something new for all of you. So every time I see some new art form, I really wanted to try that. Like recently you must have seen my videos on diamond painting, then I have done some resin art, then soap making. So I keep on doing experiment on different art forms as well. So that way you're not stuck with one art form and can do a lot more in this. So another very amazing question is, how do you store your artwork? So most of the artwork is from the clients. So they are the orders which I receive. Second is most of them is hung on my wall. And third is like Diwali decor or Christmas decor or occasionally जो decor होते हैं उनको I keep it in a box and I have a big almirah. So I keep everything there and जब भी yearly मुझे use करना होता है like for Diwali and Christmas और जो भी है occasion उसके according then I take out and do decoration and then again I keep it inside it so that you know उसमें dust ना लगे और वो खराब ना हो. So next question is, this is a very good question. What do you do apart from YouTube? So YouTube is my full-time job. I do YouTube. So apart from YouTube, I take orders for Decoupage. I have a separate account on my Instagram. If you want, I'll put the link in the description box so that you can also go and check that particular page. And that is a lovely page because I have posted all my artwork in that particular page. So that is another way I keep myself busy. So yes, YouTube is my full-time job, and apart from that I take personal orders for Decoupage. So next question is, how do you plan your videos? All right, so as far as videos are concerned, I'm always and really excited for my next video. I keep on asking my sister, my brother, what should I make next? What do you want to see next? Or I keep on looking for new ideas, how easily I can make things so that everybody can make it. You know, I try to make things in a very simple way ताकि आप लोग सब बहुत ही easily सब artist बन जाए, you know. जो आर्ट इज़ नॉट एट ऑल टफ, बहुत ही ईजीली आप कर सकते हैं उसे. उसकी ट्रिक्स होती हैं थोड़ी सी, विच आई ट्राई टू एक्सप्लेन ईच एंड एवरी स्टेप, ईच एंड एवरी थिंग टू यू गाइज सो दैट यू शुड लर्न एंड यू शुड डू इट. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल डेकोपाज का, इट वॉज हाइप दैट दिस आर्ट इज़ रियली एक्सपेंसिव एंड आपको ये चाहिए, उसके लिए वो चाहिए. Yes, no doubt, decoupage is really expensive art form. So I have done a lot of experiments in making कि हम इस art form को बहुत ही easily अपने घर पे कैसे बना सकते हैं without spending much, you know, on papers, on glue, on gesso and this and that and so many other things like chalk colors. आप कैसे बना सकते हैं इनको घर पे. So ये सारी चीज़ें I try to do experiment with new things so that you know जो चीज़ें मुझे मुश्किल लगी बनाना और सीखने में आपको वो प्रॉब्लम ना आए और आप मेरे चैनल से और भी बहुत सारी नई चीज़ें सीख पाएँ जो मुझे आता है. आई विल ट्राई टू टीच यू गाइज ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. एज यू गाइज हैव सीन, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा डिटेल में वीडियो बनाती हूँ सो दैट यू गाइज कैन फॉलो स्टेप बाय स्टेप. सो या, दैट इज़ ऑलवेज देयर. आई एम ऑलवेज रियली एक्साइटेड फॉर माई न्यू वीडियोज़ and I get ideas from you guys only. Then I keep on doing experiment with new things. My inspiration is my home, my inspiration is my art and the zeal of doing new things. Every time a new thing should come, you know. एक चीज़ आप हमेशा याद रखिएगा, इफ़ यूर एन आर्टिस्ट, येस वी कैन फॉलो सम आर्टिस्ट लाइक यू गाइज आर फॉलोइंग मी, बट अगर आपको कुछ डिफरेंट करना है, आपको मेरा एग्जैक्टली कंटेंट कॉपी पेस्ट नहीं करना है. आप मुझसे सिर्फ आइडियाज़ ले सकते हैं, राइट. एंड सेकेंडली, आपको बहुत ज़्यादा इधर उधर राइट लेफ़्ट नहीं देखना है, बिकॉज आप जितना इधर और उधर देखेंगे आपका जो खुद का ऑथेंटिसिटी आपकी आर्ट की है वो नहीं रहती. दैट्स वाई यू मस्ट हैव सीन आई क्रिएट थिंग्स विद माई ओन इमेजिनेशन. आई थिंक व्हाट शुड आई डू विद दिस पर्टिकुलर बॉक्स, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली एंड हाउ एग्जैक्टली आई कैन मेक इट. जब आप अपनी इमेजिनेशन यूज़ करते हैं, इमेजिनेशन यूज़ करके फिर जो आपका कंटेंट निकल के आता है, that will give you immense happiness. And I'm telling you guys, you can copy the content but then you cannot be a creator. आपको खुद का content create करना पड़ेगा, then only you can be an artist. So I think that is it. I have given all the answers of your questions. If you have any other questions, I will definitely do another Q&A video. I love to make these kind of videos. I don't know, I have never done this before. But yes, if you have any other questions, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to our channel. And if you're new to our channel, watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye-bye.